What's up, everyone? This is Drew with What's for Dinner. Today we're going to be doing some sliders on the Blackstone electric griddle going. Okay, and so I just have 1 pound here. Try to make it as square as possible. It's going to have to be flattened out a little bit more. And these buns my wife got on sale. There's actually another packet of them, but I think this is good. Obviously, we're not going to try to do White Castle sliders. They're just sliders. But and it's very simple ingredients. We're gonna put some onions down, brown them up, and then yeah, I'll bring you back in here. Out. It's apparently been not even 10 minutes. I want to go as slow as possible. Shout out Smoky Goodness. Shut up, dog. What was this with? Yep. No. Stuck. A little bit better. Problem is, my buns turned out like shit. I just didn't want to say it out there. But yeah, so this is going to change the way I was going to cut it. And then yeah, so I'm going to just get that all prepared on like a cutting board, obviously. And then I'll get you some shots. No more creepy face cam, at least for now. I don't know what I'm going to do. You know, that was my shtick. You know, I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, let me get this all sorted out and I'll get you some more footage. Oh, it's just a little bit small. It's not just a little bit small, it's really small. Okay. Still these. I have to rob some of this. Just have to make one really good one. But yeah, look how pathetic these buns look. I mean, just look at that. It's terrible. I seen a guy the other day making these, well, something similar too, and he was cutting them with the spatula. I thought, oh no, no. turned out very, very good. Thanks y'all for watching. Yeah. More videos soon to come.